Hi guys, so this is Kuda caves. It's in Raigad. So there is a resort called Forest Hill Tala. So this is Tala caves, and this is somewhere around 2000 years old. It's very beautiful, and you can see here the view. This is awesome. Beautiful caves, and there is a beautiful water inside. So this is the pond. This is 8 feet deeper, and this is sweet water. You can see some of the fishes inside, small fishes, and if you drink this water, then you'll realize that it's very tasty water. By the way, the experience was good, and we started this small trek 30 minutes ago. We reached here in 30 minutes. You can see the beautiful view here, the greenery and the atmosphere is very beautiful.